Hey there, here Luke from SCADA.com, and today I have something about the DateDiff function in VBScript in WinCC V7. I will prepare some options and we will make the two dates and times, and we will try to understand how to go with DateDiff function. First, we need two IO inputs. So in this IO field we will create first date and the second date. First date will be something like the now, so we have always the actual date time, and the second option is saved date. So for example, if one operator set the date, he clicked on something or logged into the system or printed something, we save this data and we can find how long this is take to don't push this button again. For example, let's make the save date, actual date, and for example we need to know what is the difference between these two date time functions. First of all, we need to go to tag management, and in this tag management let's create a QA5, and this 5 QA will be the save date. It's the data type tag, for example the string. So we save here the information about the saved date. Let's go to output value, and this output value will be the saved date. We need to push here our string tag, and actual date will be also the string, but we need to make a small WinCC VBS action, and this action will trigger for us the output value about the actual date and time. How to make this? It's very simple. In WinCC Visual Basic it's just now, so we should have the actual date and time on our screen. Let's save and let's run this process. Okay, as you see on actual date time, I have the actual date and the second is flying. Let's put some date on save date so we can make the training how to make the difference between these two times. For example, we can make that our operator can't move something like button more often than 2 minutes, for example. So let's check how to make this with DateDiff function. Let's go to output value, VBScript action, and this VBScript action we need to create something like internal tags diff. This diff will be displayed on our screen, so we'll know how to make this. And our diff function is the DateDiff. It's the built into Visual Basic function, and we need to put what is our interval. So we have the seconds, the minutes, the hours, days or something. You can find it under this video, all parameters. And we need to put two tags from WinCC V7. First tag is saved date .read, and the second one is now, because it's the function in Visual Basic. So we will have how much minutes we have between two date and times. let's start this. Okay, I need to change the saved date because I put the 00 on the date and it's not correct. So we have minus 39,000 minutes. Okay, let's change into with different. So now need to be the third parameter. So we will have the plus. And let's check how to make this with different formula. For example, the minutes, the hours, and the dates. Let's copy this and I will show you how to make this. And days. So we have the functions and let's edit a bit this script. It's H and D. So we have the days between two dates. Let's run this again. So we have the difference 39,000 minutes, 652 hours or 27 days. From now you can make something like button and you can authorize this button for operator. He can't move this button and again if your DateDiff function is, for example, less than 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 1 hour, so you won't allow the operator push this button again and again. If you like this video, join myscada.com mailing list and subscribe this channel. See you and bye.